Given a continued proportion of any length in least numbers, we'll show that the extreme or ends of the proportion are relatively prime. Start with a continued proportion of length 2, say b to c, which is in least numbers and proportional to the ratio that makes up the a's. Then, the continued proportion of the same length as the a's, in least numbers, is b to the n minus 1 to b to the n minus 2 times c, being proportional to b to the n minus 2 times c to b to the n minus 3 times c squared, and so forth to being proportional to b times c to the n minus 2 to c to the n minus 1. b to c is in least numbers, so b and c are relatively prime. Thus, b to the n minus 1 and c to the n minus 1 are relatively prime. Both of our continued proportions are in least numbers and the same length and the same ratio, so they are equal to each other, so that a1 is equal to b to the n minus 1, and an is equal to c to the n minus 1. Thus, a1 and an are relatively prime.